到处唱的是歌儿。
对呀，在那叫啊，对不对？
不来了。你家是跑不去啊？是吧。
The two men in uniform are guardians of the Yangtze River in the Tongguanyi section of Jiulongpo, Chongqing municipality. Covering 21 kilometers steady on foot, they measure the riverbank with their feet. However, 7 years ago, Zhao Xuewei was a fisherman who made his living on the very same river. At the break of dawn, 6 a.m., Tangjiatuo by the Yangtze still slumbered. Yet the 58-year-old fish guardian Zhao Xuewei and his fellow were already geared up for the day's mission. They meticulously inspect every mud flat, expertly search for any hidden traps or nets, while promoting ecological conservation to visitors. On this patrol, Zhao Xuewei protects more than just the river's fish. He's also guardian of the creatures on mud flats. Every November, this stretch of mud flats welcomes its annual guests, the egrets. They are distributed along the Yangtze River basin in China. The current IUCN Red List of threatened species includes entries of all 13 species of egrets. The 31-kilometer-long Yangtze stretch in Jiulongpo hosts China's first egret nature reserve. This area, however, faced a severe ecological setback with the local disappearance of egrets in the 1950s due to deforestation. Their eventual comeback in the 1990s was spurred by community-led tree planting and the government's establishment of nature reserve.
你看24白鹭，是在我们重庆的过冬。
Today, this area is home to 6 species of herons, including egrets, grey herons, and night herons. With the peak numbers approaching 10,000, the egrets have found an ideal habitat here, and the old fisherman's attachment to the Yangtze River has also found a new purpose. In Zhao's patrol work, the egrets also serves as an important environmental monitor.
多的年的话，一些树上是长满了的，电灯光一烧的，希望都是一片白。白天都在那些弄土啊，河边呐，白鹭多，它是水质好，鱼虾多。是必须销毁，因为去年它都是缠了一个鸟，把脚给它缠断了，花了点时间了，跟它改躯头，再给它上药，最后才放啊。
Although he has long grown accustomed to his role as a fish protector, Zhao Xuewei still hopes that one day he will see fishing boats return to the river.
只要有渔船啊，那个长江头的鱼，可能各种各样的鱼都多了。
Zhao Xuewei is not alone in transitioning from fisher to guardian. With the start of the 10-year fishing moratorium in 2020, all 88 registered fishers in Jiulongpo were relocated from their traditional livelihood. As of the end of last year, monitoring efforts in the mainland of the Yangtze River have documented an increase of 47 fish species compared to the start of the fishing ban, representing a growth of over 100%. The index of aquatic biological integrity has risen by 2 levels, further enhancing the biodiversity of the Yangtze's aquatic life and effectively restoring the ecological balance of the river basin. The fishing ban is for 10 years, but Zhao's story with the egrets spans far more than a decade.
有时间呢，还是带一些小娃儿啊，带家妹儿来看哈，看有好大的变化，因为那个变化嘛，只有越高越好的嘛。
For Zhao Xuewei, the change of profession noted how he coexists with the egrets in the river, but never the deep affection. He guards the fish, which sustain the egrets, and the egrets' graceful flight becomes the most beautiful proof of the mother river's revitalization. The decade-long pact, in the end, is a reconciliation between humanity and nature, a promise of hope and rebirth.